In this problem, I want to find the number of ways to purchase 3 different kinds of juice from a selection of 10 juices. To do that, I'm going to need my culminations formula. Order doesn't matter. It doesn't matter whether I pick apple juice first, I pick it last. If I pick apple juice, I still pick apple juice. So this is how it differs from permutations, where order did matter. Here we're just selecting 3 different juices. Whether you select it first or last, you're still taking home juice after you purchase that juice. So if you have apple first, then you have orange juice, and then you have tomato juice. If you purchase apple, orange, and tomato, it doesn't matter if you purchase tomato, apple, and orange in that order, you're still taking home those 3 different types of juices. So to figure out how many culminations we have, I'm going to use a culminations formula. The culminations formula says it's NCR, so it's NPR, like the permutations, we have NCR for culminations. And we have n factorial over r factorial, and then we have n minus r factorial. Just like the last one, just like the permutations formula, n stands for total number of options, which is 10. R stands for how many are we choosing out of those 10, which is 3. So I have 10, choose 3. So everywhere there's an n, I'm going to put a 10, so I have 10 factorial over 3 factorial. And I have n minus r, so 10 minus 3 factorial. Now I'm going to simplify this a little bit, so I have 10 culminations, 10 choose 3. So I have 10 factorial over 3 factorial. 10 minus 3 gives me 7, so I have 7 factorial. I'm going to simplify the numerator a little bit so that I can get a 7 factorial in the numerator. So I have 10 times 9 times 8 times 7, and I'm going to just say 7 factorial. That takes care of everything else. What it also does is it gives me a 7 factorial in the numerator and denominator, which makes it easy to simplify. So I can cancel out my 7 factorials. Now I have 10 times 9 times 8, and I have 3 times 2 times 1 on the bottom. And nothing directly simplifies. You can divide the 10 by 2, get a 5 up here. You can divide the 9 by 3, get a 3. But I'm going to leave it the way it is. So I have 10 times 9 times 8, which is 720. And I have a 6 in the denominator. So if I take 720 and I divide that by 6, I should get 120 different culminations that I can buy 3 different kinds of juice from the 10 different juices.